A section of senators have called on Kenyans to reject leaders propagating ethnic hatred over government development projects. Senate Speaker Amason Kingi, Homa Bay Senator Moses Kajwang nominated Senators Beatrice Ogolla and Joyce Corey, alongside Migori Senator Eddie Okech, faulted politicians inciting ethnic divisions. Speaking during a fundraiser at Holy Family Catholic Parish in Dhiwa constituency, Kingi insisted that every Kenyan deserves development regardless of ethnicity or political affiliation, noting that all citizens are taxpayers.
We must change the basis of distribution or allocation of money. Mr. Speaker, Dhiwa has 300,000 residents. Lamu East has 25,000. And yet Lamu East and Dhiwa, they get the same allocation of CDF. Dhiwa with 300,000, Rangwe with 110,000, they get almost the same allocation of CDF.
Some of us tumezoea kukalia wenzetu. Some of us tumezoea kuona maendeleo mengi katika maeneo yetu, tukisahau maeneo mengine. Na ni kawaida, manake kila kiamsha kinywa, if for breakfast you take 2 loaves of bread, na leo hii umemboa kula mkate mmoja, mkate mwingine peana jirani yake ambaye hana kitu, you are bound to feel bad, si ndio? But that's the only way we can pass through this narrow gate. We need to bring about inclusion in this country.
Pastoralist communities in the